Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Now I am going to discuss about our very important law derivation. That is only important and interesting thing only. That is combination of mathematics and as well as our physics. The two things we are discussed to go derive our Snell law. Okay, now so very important. Yes, and here there is about the Snell law derivation, and with that we'll get the refraction laws also. You know very well about the reflection laws. Now we have to go to find out refraction laws also. Okay, by using this. Once we have to go to check here what is the Snell law, and we already discussed it. Now we are going to discuss yesterday whatever we written. Sin I by sin r is equal to v1 by v2. Okay, what is the Snell law we have to written here? Sin I by sin r is equal to written as v1 by v2. It is equal to also written as m2 by m1 also. Okay, these are the relative refractive index. These are the relative velocities of the medias of light. Okay, that is only we are taking here. Okay, we have to prove this law by using our mathematical observation, and as well as there is whatever our light properties. Okay, now there is a what once we are taken one of the situation here. What is the situation? Here we consider here there is this is the diagram. It is a very important one. Here we are taken. This is the one of the shore water shore here. Whatever this is the what a shore line it is. It is about actually shore line. Shore line. You know very well what is the shore line here on the x we are taken. Here we are here. Means what we are here. The man is here, and may here we taken one thing, that is what actually imagine that one person has fallen out of a boat and is screaming for help in the water at a point B. The person may fall from the boat and is at here, that where it's somewhat at point B. All the students, please stop everything. It's important and somewhat critical thing to analyze and understand. Be concentrate on it. Don't write anything. Be concentrate on it. Yes. Here, once check it here. How to reach in a minimum time to this B, point A to point B. We are at here at shore, and here which path we have to take here. This is a totally from here it is a water. It is a totally water. Okay, clear or not all the students? Sorry, up to here it is a not have water. Okay, clear or not? There is a what it is a possible to move up to here. Okay, clear? Now it is a shore line. Below this totally it is a water only. It is a shore line. Don't confuse. Okay, now this is the water. This is that is shore line. This is the totally air. This is surface of what bank of this what that is. Now totally it is a water up to here. This line indicate a shore line. Okay, and the point the person who is fallen in the water at where at point B. Got it or? Yeah. You want to save that person. You have to know swimming. Everyone you know swimming or not? I hope you all are swimming or not. You know swimming or not? No. If you don't know compulsory after Corona, you compulsory yes go with the coaching of swimming. Yes, it's a compulsory essential for you. Yeah, there is a word. You know very well which one is the easiest method to reach the point B. Yes, you want to. Yes, here only. You want to first jump into the water here. You want to jump into the water here. There is so many paths available B also, na? Okay, now, yes, you want to jump to here and you go like a straight line. It is also one of the path it will be available. No, you want to run somewhat here and here and you want to jump here. Why? Because already he is in the water. Okay, now what is the general practice actually? Is whatever the person is there, he is screaming in the water. May you become hurry and worry which path you have to select to reach earlier. Yes, to the point B. Yes, somewhat you are get a confusion. Okay, but who know the physics? Who have the idea about the physics? There is a what first. We want to move the what on the yes. The shore line only, on the shore line only. Okay, you don't take the path like this A, Y, okay, na, somewhat Q, B. Okay, clear? Why? Because it is taken a more time. And now when you want, in case you want to take this path, otherwise you want to take this path, okay, sorry, this path or this path or this path, which path you have to take? Okay, clear? First you want to run on the what? On the earth first somewhat distance. Then after you jump in the water. Initially only you are jump in the water, it will be take what more time to reach the B. Why? Because you know very well in an actual manner, not only for the light, yes, for us also. Okay, now it will be take more time to travel in the water, inside of the water, compare with the on our earth. Clear or not, all the students? That's why you are take about actually you are compulsory walk or run on this particular distance on the land, not in the water. It is what? It is the land we are taking. Yes, up to here we compulsory somewhat you travel on the land only, not directly yes, go like this. Okay. Yes. Suppose you take a line from here to here. Which one? Here to here. You want to select this path. Which path? A to B. It is the correct path. I am selected. There is a one more path also. Okay, now I am selected, there is a one more path like this. Okay, this is the one more path I am selected. Okay, these are the paths are wrong paths. Why? Because a more distance may have to travel in the water in case you selected these remaining paths. This is the yes, nearest point to touch from here to here. Yes, nearest point. Okay, now to touch the nearby B. Okay, clear? Now I am taking one more path also. Okay, clear or not, all the students? What is that? Here there is I am taken A to B, A to there is this point may taken as a straight line. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This point is may taken as a straight line. Sorry. This is one of the straight line we are considering. This is taken another point. Okay, clear or not, all of this? I am taken as A to C and B. And I am taking one more thing also. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This is exactly straight line from A to B. I am taking here one more line. This point B. This is taken as B actually. A to D. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And now in this one, which path is a suitable one? Okay, once analyze all these. Okay, from the whatever the traveling paths are there from A to B. Yes. we are taken A to B, and here A to D, and here A to C. Yes, from one step here, from this point to this point, this is a what actually land distance, whatever the land traveling distance is a very less, and whatever the water traveling distance is a very high. Clear or not, all the students? There is a from here to here somewhat very less distance compared with the which path. How many paths are there? Tell me once. AB is one path, ADB is another path, ACB is another path. How many paths are there? 3 paths are there. Yes, totally. A to B, there is an taken somewhat here P. Any point P here. What step here in the path? What is the nature of the path? First, Y to P land, on land, Y to P on land, P to B on water. Please, students, don't see the textbook. This all the thing is not there in the textbook. Yes, got it. Here we take about path's nature. How do we cover the path? A to B, there is a what we have. Y to P is a land, P to B on water. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Sorry, in water. It is on land, in water. And once you check it here, A, D, B. Yes, here Y to D on land. Y to D on land. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And here D to B in water. D to B in water. Clear? And now ACB. Okay, clear or not, all the students? ACB. Yes, here Y to C on land. Okay, clear? And here whatever C to B, it is in water. C to B in water. Okay, like this, once you check here, where Y to P, yes, it is a less on land than the remaining things. Here, most of the traveling path are contained on the land. Which one? That is the Y to C is a greater on the land. Yes, less in a water it is which one? C to B in a water it is a less. So tell me, which path is a takes a less time according to your knowledge? All the students, once again I repeat it. In this one, there is a what? Y to C, it is here YP is less than YD is less than YC. Clear or not, all the students? This is on the land. Okay, got it? It is on land. What shall it in the water? Yes. Here PB is the greater than DB is the greater than CB. It is in water. What is our first conclusion? What is our first conclusion? Yeah, we are moving in a land very easily and it will take a less time. Okay, now when we are moving in a water, it will be take high time. Okay, clear or not, all of you? That's why we want to complete one total path. What the circumstances, what the conditions we have to applicable for this situation? Yeah, we should compulsory less travel on the water, more travel on the land. Automatically it take a less time. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Once again I repeat it. In this particular condition, we want to reach LD as possible as LD to the A to the B. We should compulsory travel on the land more time. Otherwise, you travel more distance on the land, less distance in the where? Less distance in the water. At that time only it is a possible to take. It is a possible to take. Yes. Earlier. Yes, clear or not, all the students? Yeah, here what we are taking, yp is a less than yd is a less than yc. Okay, now in this one there is a yp is a less in length. That's why you don't take this one. Okay, now yes, less amount of traveling path is available on this path AB. AB is not a correct path. Then which path? Yeah, once check it here AD B. Once check it here ADB. In the ADB, there is a whatever we traveled from Y to D, it is somewhat less than the Y to C. Yes, but it will travel D to B more in the water. Okay, clear or not, all the students? As in the same way, A to C, there is a what? We travel more on the land, less in the water. Okay, but slight difference is only there between these two things. What the parts? ADB and ACB. But in actual manner, the ACB is only looks like a ACB is only looks like a correct path. But it is only correct? No. Okay, now may it is also takes the word ADB is also may equal to the ACB. Okay, why? Because the time taken for the traveling from ADB may equal to ACB. Is it correct or not? Once we have to check. Okay, we imagine that the both are taken at the same time only. Why? Because tell me, yeah, here there is a Y to D, we travel some path on a land. Okay, now, yes, and here D to B, we are taken at somewhat travel on the path in a water. But here we travel more time on land than the what YD or not compared with YC and YD. Yes, YD is a less distance on the land. Okay, less distance on the land but more distance in the water. But once check here, the same thing is occur or not? Y to C. There is a more distance we travel on the land but less distance in the water. Whatever may be somewhat slight difference is there, but once we not take account of that slight difference, may the both are looks as the same. For the explanation of our Snell law purpose, we don't take the path of A to B. We want to analyze the path of AD, B and ACB. Yes, we imagine that both the paths are taken at same time only. Why? Because somewhat take a more time on the land, somewhat is take the less time on the land. Okay, now somewhat are take a more time in the water, somewhat are take the less time in the somewhat are taken a more time in the water. Okay, both are look somewhat same only. Somewhere it is the same or not. Once we have to check. Then after we apply the sine angles, we'll get the what actually our Snell law. Once we have to check the paths of ADB and as well as the ACB. I hope these are the things you understood. Now we are again drawn that whatever the paths are there, ADB and as well as the ACB. Yes, clearly here we are taken. This is the path. This is the what actually. Yes, this is the shore line of land. Shore line of land. Okay, this point is taken as a, it is taken as a y. Okay, now yes, here we have takes here. This is the point D. Okay, clear. And one more point here we take in C, and then it will be at B. Here it is a B. Okay, clear or not? Here it is a, actually it is taken as a B. Okay, now yes, and now there it is. You have to draw the normal. Okay. At incident point D, and you take one more normal at point C. Yeah, this is a become incident, this is a become as a refracted. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is a become as a refracted. For the analyzing this ADB part and ACB part, yes, you have drawn one perpendicular line from where? From this path D to B and as well as the C to B. Perpendicular lines you have to draw for the what is the difference is there between the yes, parts of you draw one perpendicular line on AC from the way from the point D. One more perpendicular line you draw. Okay, clear or not all the students? At where? At the C to D. It will be taken as F. It will be taken as B. D, E. Okay, clear or not all of you students? And now there is one similar triangles are get for us. Okay, clear or not all of you? Similar triangles are get for us. One check it here. E to C we have to travel on the line, and as well as at the same time E to C we have to travel on the land only. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as at the same time we are travel D to F. Why we draw this normal? For the analyzing how much difference is there between the this ACB path and ADB path. Why? Because after the D, yes, along the ADB path we travel in the water only. But at the same time, there is in case suppose the two persons are trying to save that person, that particular person who is at B. Okay, one person is selected ACB path, one person is selected ADB path. Yes, the first person who is along the ADB path, yes, after the when he reaches to the D, he is a dip in the water. But at the same time, our another person who is a travel along ACB, he is a travel along the land. Okay, now clear or not? For the finding of the difference of the time between these two things, we have draw the perpendicular line. Okay, yes. Once again, there is at ACB, yes, the point E is indicate the person is at here. The person is at here. Okay, clear or not? The person is at here, and he want to travel this much of distance when he reaches to the F. Okay, this D to F person want to reach F, he reaches to here. Okay, now yes, that is only analyzed mathematically. And now there is what we take here, the time taken travel E to C. Okay, the time taken travel E to C along this path, along the ACB path is taken as somewhat del T. The same time they are taken. Okay, clear or not all the students? The same time they are taken. That is a del T. The velocity of this person is taken as a V1. Okay, clear or not all the students? And E to C and D to F. E is the travel from D to F. Okay, now D to F. It is taken as the same time it will be taken. Okay, clear or not all the students? That will be taken as the del T only. Okay, clear or not all the students? And the velocity is taken as somewhat V2. Okay, clear or not all of you? The velocity is along the D to B, yes, at the traveling path of a DF, this is a V2 and it is taken as V1. It is in the water, it is in the land. Got it or not? Yes, what is that? Velocities are different, but the time is the same. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, and who is the travel more distance? One check here. Velocities are different, the time taken more. Okay, now he is in land, he is in a water. Okay, now velocity who is the travel on the land, that will be taken as V1, and the velocity is the travel in the water, it will be taken as V2. Okay, clear? Now once check it here. Here you know very well, velocity is equal to V1 is equal to velocity is equal to what? Distance by time. You know very well, velocity is equal to what? Distance by time. Here V1 velocity is written as like this or not? V1 velocity is written as EC by del T. Written or not it is? Everyone. For the traveling of the distance E to C is taken as del T time with the velocity V1. That's why V1 is equal to written as EC by del T. And as well as V2 is equal to written as D2F. Okay, clear not all of it is also written as DF by del T. DF by del T. Here V1 is equal to taken as EC by del T. V2 is equal to taken as DF by del T. Now we take the ratios of velocities. Once take it here. We take the what actually? We take the ratios of velocities. What the velocities we have taken here? Sorry. We take the ratios of velocities. What is the velocity ratios we are taking here? Yeah, it is also written as V1 by V2. In our textbook, that equation number 3 is wrong somewhat. V1 by V1 is only given. Once check it out in the page number 57. In the page number 57, that is not given as a V1 by V2. You take the ratios of these two things. Okay, now that's why only it is written as like that V1 by V2. It is equal to taken as what from this? It is equal to taken as EC by del T by DF by del T. DF by del T. Got it or not all the students? Yes? Got it? Here it is also written as del T cancel get each other. Now V1 by V2 is equal to taken as EC by DF. EC by DF. This is one of the fundamental equation that is given as a whatever the equation is given as a three somewhat. First equation is the fundamental equation. Okay, for the solve the Snell law. I hope you understood up to here. From the diagram, there is a simply you have to know what is the distance traveled from E to the C, whatever the time it is taken. The same time it will be taken to travel D to F also. Why? Because tell me, these are similar triangles. Which are similar triangle? There is a DCF, the similar to, okay now, yes, which triangle? DCF is similar to, which triangle it is? There is a whatever EDC. Okay, these are similar triangles. That's why these distances are same. DF is equal to approximately EC. That's why there is a what we have considered here. We have considered here the time that taken same only. At that time velocities are different. Why? Because one is the land, another one is the water. Okay now? Yes, but traveling time is the same. Traveling time is the same. Velocities are different. Okay, based on that formula only we written there is a whatever the ratios are there. V1 by V2 is equal to EC by DF. Now we are take somewhat angles. Okay, clear or not all the students? Somewhat angles discussion. How do we decide about the angles? Here I and R with the angle measured between the path ACB and normal N and N. Okay, this is the normal N and N, and this is the path ACB. Yeah, you know very well. This is the incident angle we are taken. This is the what? Refracted angle. Okay, clear or not all the students? And for this purpose we have to take ACB triangle. Okay, what the triangle we have to take here? ACB triangle we have to take here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Just we have to take how to find the sine. It is a new for you about the sine angles. Okay, the trigonometry angles. Just we want to check it here. There is how to we are taking the trigonometric ratios purpose. Here we written as ACB what angle? The sine theta is equal to written as the ratio between opposite sine to sorry, somewhat a space problem is there on our board, it is not appear to you. Sin theta is equal to taken as opposite sine to the theta. Which one? This one. That is a BC. Clear or not, all the students? BC by what? Yes, AC. Yes, this is. Okay, clear or not, all the students? AC. Hypotenuse. That is only called what? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to taken as what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is only defined as the sine angles. Okay, based on that one, in case you take an I, what will be get from the diagram? In case you taken for the R, what will be get the diagram? Okay, clear or not, all of you? And now that is only we have to write based on this equation. Okay, from figure, what will be get for us? Here, what is the triangles we have taken here? Yes, there is the two triangles we have to take here. Okay, now here sin I is equal to written as sin I. From this triangle, what we have to get for us? There is a what triangle will be get for us? Here there is a one thing will be get for us. This one. This angle is become I. This is also become I. Yes, in this one, once again I am repeat it here, one second here. It is a C, it is a D. Somewhat we draw the normal for it. Okay, it is I. Okay, it is also have the normal. That's why there is a what is it? There is one angle is there. There is a what? This line is also makes somewhat angle. The both it is also I only. It is also I only. Clear or not? Mathematically. From angle theory. Okay, there is a what? It is actually taken as there is A. Okay, clear or not, all the students? A, D, C. Okay, clear or not, all the students? A, D, C we are taken. Yes, and which here we draw a normal from this normal to this one. Okay, clear? It is become what actually? Here we draw the normal from where? Normal from D to E. Okay, now we draw the normal here D to E. Okay, which triangle we have taken here? There is a triangle from the diagram. Which triangle we have taken here? There is a triangle is taken as. Okay, yes, it will be taken as. Like this triangle. This is only yes. I am right on this particularly. Once clearly on here, there is a triangle is at where angle is at D. We can consider D. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Here it will be treated as D, E, C. Okay, now this is only the triangle I am taken from this. Okay, yes, it will be right in this form. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Otherwise, you not get it is clearly now. Yes, one triangle you take like this E, C, and as well as the D. Okay, and another one we have to take one more triangle here. What is the triangle? Yes, here D, F, C. D, F, C. Okay, now here we have extended this. Okay, now we drawn here this triangle D, F, C triangle. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Automatically it is become what? It is become R. It is become what? R. Now this is become I. This is become I. And next we are taken one more triangle. That is only be written as here. One more triangle here written like this way. Okay, what is the triangle we have to write here? What is the triangle we have taken here? Yeah, there it will be taken one more triangle. Yeah, it is a angle. This is the one of the angle. There is it will be taken as. Got it? These are the triangles we are taken out from this diagram now. Okay, these are the triangles are taken out from this triangle and write the sine angles. This is the R, this is the I. Okay, sine angle from this triangle, from this triangle. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now, it will be also written as the sine I is equal to, sine I is equal to, and sine R is equal to written as. Sine I is equal to, from this triangle, write the sine. All the students, somewhat critical thing is there, may somewhat you not understand. Okay, now once check it out. Okay, clear or not all the students? Once check it out in your textbook. Okay, don't bother about that. There is already I am given the information about the sine angle. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a how to write a sine angle. Sine angle is a new for you. It is not there in your mathematics also. Okay, it is new for you, may not understood, may understood it is. Okay, the simple thing first you have to know how to define the sine angle. The sine angle is equal to taken as what actually? It is a, yes, opposite side. It is a what actually the ratios between opposite side to the hypotential, that is only called sine theta. And here in our diagram there is a what we have to take, this part is important. This part is important. Okay, now once again I will explain how we taken these triangles. Okay, now these triangles we have taken now. ECD we have taken one triangle and compare with this ACD. And we take the triangle DFC. The triangles are there. Once check in your textbook. Rectangular triangles are there. DFC and angle are the ECD also. Okay, now from the triangles you are define the sine and sine R. What the sine angle is there here? How to write sine theta is equal to BC by AC, opposite sine by the hypotenuse. Here what is the opposite sine? EC is the opposite sine here. What is the hypotenuse here? ED. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, sorry. Here what we have taken here? Hypotenuse is here common for the both. That is only what here? EC. Here. Okay. Now there is a this is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, clear or not all the students? This is the hypotenuse FC, this is the ED is the hypotenuse. This is. The both are okay now. Yes, same one. Now one check here. What we written in this one, sin I is equal to taken as EC by what? ED. EC by ED. And here what we have to write here? That is DF by what we written here? DF by what? CF. DF by CF. Okay, clear or not all the students? DF by CF. Okay, got it? DF by CF. Now you take ratio of sin I by sin R. Ratio of sin I by sin R. EC by ED is equal to taken as what here? DF by CF. Here ED is equal to what? ED is equal to CF. Both are the perpendicular things only. Now there it is also taken as sin I by sin R is equal to what it will get? EC by DF. Okay, this one and this one cancel get each other. When we take it is ED by ED is equal to CF. Now one check it here. EC by DF is equal to what? EC by DF is equal to V1 by V2. Now automatically it is written as sin I by sin R is equal to taken as sin I by sin R is equal to taken as V1 by V2. Got it or not? In this way only, in this one only will we get that our proof. Got it? Yes. In this one only we will get the proof. Okay. Once again we repeat it. Yes. About the sign things. May you not understood tomorrow. Once again I want to go with these things. Okay now, yes, how it will be written and our class already I have given, but somewhat may understood now, and this may write like that. Compulsory ED is equal to CF. At that time it will be possible. Okay, bye. Take care all. Yes, and there is a what? This one is name you know very well. EC by DF is equal to V1 by V2. EC by DF is equal to sin I by sin R. LHS is equal to RHS. That's why automatically may written sin I by sin R is equal to V1 by V2. Bye. Take care.